What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something exciting in store for you. The follow-up camera and video test of the latest smartphone from Infinix, the Infinix Note 35G. With its 108 megapixels camera, this device promises to revolutionize your photography experience. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into it. The first sample video shows jittery video. For unknown reason, even when the camera takes only 30 FPS, it shouldn't be this bad. So we tried it again and it seems the video is now stable. This video is a test for OIS feature. So it looks bouncy when you walk in your regular face. So even on our second test, it still looks bouncy. On our third test though, so when you walk slowly, so you will notice a huge improvement. So it's no longer bouncy and whatnot, so somewhat the video that you're capturing is stable. Without the OIS though, so without using the OIS, your video will be all over the place. As you can see, it's shaking all around. So make sure that you use that OIS feature, especially if you plan to use this phone for social media, if you're doing TikTok and whatnot. My conclusions are the phone takes great close-up photos. Wider photo shot takes from decent to excellent when lighting condition is favorable. The AI oversaturates your subject or object and brighten the pictures. Night shots also looks good. The video is decent and the OIS is okay. So I highly recommend this phone only if you are a gamer and photo enthusiast alike. But if you're not a gamer and just looking for a phone that creates good quality photo, there's other options out there that is cheaper and takes similar quality of the photo. And if you want to voice out your opinion about the result of the camera test, so just comment. Once again, Thank you for watching and have a good day.